Stop, guys. They're stuck. They're stuck, guys.
I know we're cool. I know we're cool.
Hi, I'm Draculaura. And I'm Clawdeen. And we're at the
Look at us. Can you turn it? Oh, you can't turn it.
No. Okay, look. We're about to go
On this ride. Wait. Oh shit. Look right there, though.
Rose! Rose! This is Rose! Hi! She just...
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Dude, she's a skeleton girl.
Yeah, she's a skeleton! Oh my god, she's a skeleton!
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Okay guys, I'm kind of scared, but hopefully it's fun.
We might be next. Maybe.
Are we? Are there still many? Oh yeah. Hopefully. Rose, how do you feel? Are you scared?
A little bit. A little bit, yeah. I'm gonna do a good user arrested.
Está muy loca.
They're next. The guy freaking smiled at the camera.
Really?
Yeah. No, I didn't even get it. Huh?
I took my lucky number.
Oh my god, guys, dude, better get on there, better get on there, better get on there, better get on there, better get on there. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, right, fix it up with a Kodak. Better yet, all the time you there, take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive, this much I know that. It's a night, just enjoy life. Now you're
Oh my god, they're locked up. Guys, I forgot which one they're on. They're either on this one or this one. Wait, no, this one or is it? I don't know. I think this one or that one. I think this one. No. Oh no, this. Wait. Oh shit. Yeah, I already told you. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh my god. No. Stop, guys. They're stuck. They're stuck, guys. Just kidding. Just kidding. Oh my. Is that them, guys? Is that them? Is that them? Oh, it is not them. Guys, it has to be this one. 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 They're so dirty, look. I could do.
Mine are too, look. Get over. Go like this. Go do the thing I taught you.
Get him. Oh, people are looking at me. Bro, okay, let's go do it. Here.
Okay, ready? Yeah, try. Why are you recording like that?
Like what?
Like that, you're supposed to put it straight. Straight. Are you recording straight? Okay. What are you doing?
What? It's fine.
No, I'm sick. Give me the
Oh.
Jackie Chan. Yeah. Okay, Jackie's about to squat. Oh. Guys. Ra.
Hurry, I feel vulnerable.
Says I feel vulnerable. That was so funny. Ay, apúrale.
Jump!
Oh my god.
Oh no, you're not.
One.
She throws on
Wait, okay,
I'll hold this wrong. Here, you want to
Is
record?
this like, are you guys competing, bro?
Huh?
You guys are competing?
Yeah.
He's gonna squat her.
Oh.
Oh, hell no. You gonna let that slide?
Oh, wait, what?
Wait, she's squatting him?
Oh, what the hell? I'm confused.
I'm confused as well. Oh, Jody's helping her.
Ah.
There you go.
There you go.
Una.
Oh my god.
Oh. No.
I did it. Every time I go down,
She was wearing, I said she was just wearing boots. That's it.
Yeah.
I can't do it, guys. I'm weak.
It's okay. It's okay.
Bro, it's your turn.
Oh, hell no. She could do me. She could do you. Come on, bro.
Did you spot? I think so.
You got this.
Let me know if I'm too heavy. No.
You got this, Jackie. Got this. Look in.
Oh,
yeah. Good job. Yeah, you're so strong with this. You're stronger than all of them.
Type shit. I can start like everybody in the group together, like on a ball, like.
You're Terrain. Terrain. You want to get squatted? No, you're not, bro. Bro, no, you're not, bro. Not for Jackie. Bro, she's like. Okay, bro. No.
No Superman, bro.
Do you want to put it on the clock? Hey. Okay, you got this, Jackie. Let us know if you need help jumping, too. Ready, you got this. Look in. Oh, wait. There's a baby right there. Okay, go.
I'll try. Just try.
Just jump. Try first.
No, you're good.
You got this, Jackie. Bro, Jackie, go like.
How do I do it? Just jump.
Oh. No, I mean like go like.
Like this?
Yeah.
And I'm not gonna be able to put my foot.
Oh. Okay. Sorry. Yay! Okay.
But you're not on good. You're not on good.
Okay, you got this.
Okay, ready?
Bro, it's just not good. Okay, good. Oh! It's okay. Hey,
children's safety? He said, yeah, guys. Guys, don't cancel Jordy. He's perfectly allowable. Look at Jackie. Wait, to Iha. We're gonna go to Iha. Jackie, you're walking so fast.
Sorry.
Don't your feet hurt?
No?
Did you like today?
I loved it. I wish I could have gone on another ride, but
Look, there's Goodwill. I liked it today. I really liked my costume, even though it wasn't like
it was so fun. 'Cause I thought I was gonna stay home all day today.
exactly, but
But I got
then
to go.
exactly, and then we got to go, and it
Then
was
we got to
so
get
much.
ready. That camera's hella dirty. Oh wait, no, it's a light.
I know. Should I look?
Can we do a mukbang?
Oh my god, yes, that would be so freaking cute. Oh my god. Look like a model. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Work that, honey. Yes, honey. Period. Okay, now spin. Yes, honey. Okay, blow a kiss to the camera. Yes, honey. Wow. Do like a heart. Like, yeah, like that.
Okay, wait.
Go, go, go,
Okay,
go.
okay, okay.
Go, model walk. Honey, strut it, please, honey. Okay? Okay, I have to do a kiss to the camera. Okay, period. Okay, now strut around. Oh, yeah. Period, honey. Period. Did she eat that? Did she eat?
Tide has its own store.
Look. This is my pickle. My boyfriend totally wanted for me because he's so amazing.
I thought he just bought it.
I know, actually, he got it from me, guys.
Wait, did you win it or did you buy it?
He won it. But he won it from me.
Yeah.
Aww. Huh? Where I hope if we're gonna do a freaking mic bomb. Look, put the camera.
You gotta tie it.
Who invited them?
Oh.
No, I said who invited. This is the famous Brandon. This is his face reveal, guys. So any Latina beautiful girls who are very nice, one day Brandon, he's right here. I'm putting his Instagram right here, right here, oh, right here, right there. What'd you say? Hello, Poo Bro Nation. Jordan, my boyfriend, and my friends. Cancel him.
I'm gonna be.
This is Jordan now.
I'm gonna be the replacement.
Go record him.
I'm gonna be
Look
the-
at him. What do you have to say about him and my feelings? Well, I literally, the clip before this, I was like, here's Brandon's Instagram. He was like, put mine. Boy,
Oh hell no.
look at that photo. Boy, look at you with your mismatched socks, bro.
They're biracial.
Be alone.
Boy, with your pig destroyer hat. Yes. That doesn't even taste like
3 times.
yeah. I just roasted the food. We're about to enter. We're about to enter the chamber. Can you put like wait music over this? Hey guys, welcome to our mukbang.
Damn my belly.
You already finished? Oh.
No, I have these.
Yeah. I'm eating a pancake. Look at my pancake,
I don't know
guys.
why they give me a lemon, bro.
And then they're like really.
Look, guys.
I don't know why I fucking went.
Does this have stuff inside?
Does it?
No.
Sometimes you put lemon on it.
I want strawberry syrup.
A week in the city camera in your video.
So good.
That looks so good.
I'ma sleep so good.
It's been better than
Bro.
There's something really
Hello.
today. It's fine. It'll come and go every now and then.
Look, guys, this is my drink. It's a French vanilla cold brew.
You don't take them anymore? Oh. You don't take them anymore.
So this is what Jackie's eating.
Are you off?
I also have a hash brown, but I'm not
Is it
eating
worth
it.
it?
What was your favorite rice?
You're probably going
Wait, what is this over here? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Your fucking pig. It fell.
Your phone is sticky as fuck.
I picked it.
It's like a toddler.
No. Well, Ethan uses it, so.
She told me to charge it one time. My fucking hand got stuck to it.
Ethan uses it, bro. The baby. Steal
Your
it.
package? What'd you order?
Your gift.
What is it?
I'm not telling you.
Why not?
Because I'm
I'll
not-
tell you yours right now.
Okay,
It came today too. You go first though.
No, you go first. Tell me.
You don't tell me you're not getting it.
No, tell me. And I'll tell you what your gift is.
Actually, I don't really care.
Jackie knows what your gift is.
Is it cool? 1 through 10?
It's pretty cool. Like a 10.
She told you to say that?
I didn't tell
She's pinching me.
Yeah, it's fine.
No, thank you. I'm okay. Shit almost killed me.
Something you like anyway. You like this wallpaper?
You're recording?
Yeah.
Because
Hey, we're doing mukbang.
you're
She's gonna show you my gift.
I'm not telling you.
Are you serious?
I'm not telling you.
please don't. Like,
can't.
actually don't. She literally has to wait 14 days. That's it.
I can't tell you until. I'm sorry, I can't tell you. If I tell you what he got you, then we're going to tell him what you got him. So I can't.
Bro, I can't even find it.
I'll tell you if you love it or not.
Okay. Oh.
Oh my god, you're gonna freaking scream and
Scream and cream everywhere.
yeah, literally. This thing so you like it looks like you.
What do you mean?
It's a labubu.
It's like
What is it?
it's a little boo.
Labubu steak.
No.
At Sephora. But they be putting some heat though. Sometimes. When they do, I'm telling you, bro, it makes it look like
You said they're playing Megadeth?
I want this one.
Lovers Market was too, bro.
Like then
Yeah, but you walked out. Well, you guys were recording stuff when they were playing. I know that voice anywhere.
Burgundy?
Dave's? That fucking.
Wait, did you see it? What was it?
I see it.
Yeah, you did. Stop it.
You never know.
Oh, this